Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for this week's market outlook from XNES. My name is Andreas Simsokleus, trading specialist at XNES, and today we will be checking on a possible trading idea. Joining us here today is Stanislav Bennikov, trading specialist at XNES, to give us more details about the idea. Thank you, Stan, for joining us today.
Hello, Andreas. Thank you for having me today.
So what is the idea for this week to possibly initiate some trades?
Well, let's see. I think that we will have probably a retracement for euro versus Japanese yen. So it's a fairly strong trading instrument. And now it's located near the support between 20 and 50-day moving averages. And in case we will get some kind of confirmation of reversal, one may initiate a long trade following the trend. Well, trend following usually is simple when there is a good trend.
And what are some of the factors that could possibly affect this trade?
Well, euro-yen is the instrument which usually correlates with S&P 500 index and is driven normally by the strength in the equity markets because the yen is weakening and we have the carry trade operations going on. Today, we have the geopolitical relief driven by the meeting of Presidents Biden and Xi on G20 meeting in Bali. So that helps the markets to actually rebound. Also, we have had the inflation moving down more than expected last week. So if we combine it all together, we will have, well, pretty good situation in the fiat markets. I mean, in stocks, but not for cryptos, of course. That's a different story. But for stocks, the situation looks relatively good. S&P 500 and Nasdaq indices are at the top. Well, that might not necessarily be the good trade location. That's why we are shifting to something else which correlates with them.
And what events should the traders pay attention to if they follow this idea?
Well, first of all, that might be a bunch of publications this week, such as core inflation rate for Eurozone. Inflation is usually in focus of traders. There would be some speeches of Fed members, President Lagarde, and retail sales for the United States. So many publications related to Eurozone, so be careful about that. But usually it can fuel up the position for Euro-yen and make it accelerate. Usually that's good when we have a bunch of news in a calendar.
Okay, in summary then, the trading idea for this week is a potentially long position on Euro-yen. We have the geopolitical resolutions that influence confidence in the markets. The economic publications this week might influence some volume, and inflation was down last week, so further supporting the forex pairs. Thank you, Stan, for providing the idea for the long positions on the euro-yen, and thank you for being with us.
Yeah, good luck everyone and have a good trading week ahead.